Hey guys, it's Brian here today with another box fan video. This is a 20-inch Windsor box fan from the 1960s, made by Lakewood. Type E51 is what the motor read on the tag, made by Lakewood in Chicago. You can see the Windsor tag there on the front grille. Unfortunately, this one, the grills are not in the greatest shape. The motor box itself is in really good shape, the actual housing of the fan, but it's missing some slats. That's just what happens when you get old brittle plastic like these grills. Handle's in really good shape though. And so is the switch tag. 2-speed fan, of course. It's got some patina on the top, but on the sides it's in really good shape. Actually, the fan itself really is in good shape other than the grills. Yeah, the back grill is pretty sad. It's yellow, missing slats. Motor's in good shape though. Blades are in really good shape. The cabinet itself is in good shape. It's clean. Maybe one day I'll find some grills for it, but I very highly doubt it, as Windsor box fans are pretty hard to come by. But no big deal. It still functions completely. It's a good running fan, very powerful, as all Lakewood box fans with metal blades are. So let's go ahead and fire it up. This is high speed. Very powerful. Quiet. Very efficient. And it does have the original cord. This is low. It could probably use a little bit of oil, but I just picked this up not too long ago, and I haven't done any service to it other than clean it up a little bit. But it works pretty well. It definitely moves the gentle breeze on low. I could see someone putting this in a window at night. And off. It's got a really cool startup sound, as all these Lakewood fans do. I'll go ahead and show you what that sounds like. I actually picked this up from a OfferUp listing. This guy in Elyria had 3 fans, 3 box fans that he was selling. They're all 3 metal bladed fans, and this was one of them. They were just sitting in his shed. Sold them to me for a real good deal. So, you know me, I can't turn down a good metal bladed box fan, especially not a Lakewood. So anyway, that's my 20-inch Windsor box fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.